Hello. Welcome to our AMA session. We are thrilled to have you join us as we gear up for our exciting LBP event scheduled for June 3rd, 6th, 2024 on Fjord Foundry. This session is all about providing you with in-depth insights and answering your most pressing questions about DexGuru, the Guru Network, and the intricacies of the LBP process. During this AMA, we'll cover a range of topics, including the fundamentals of DexGuru and its mission, the key features of Guru Network, an explanation of the liquidity booster pool and why we've chosen this method, important dates, timelines, and how you can participate, technical advancements in DexGuru v2, how the community can get involved and benefit from the service. Also, our future plans and roadmap beyond the LVP event. We are here to ensure you have all the information you need to make the most of this opportunity and to engage with our growing community. So let's get started and dive into your questions. Up next, we have our CTO Evgeny, who will be giving us an overview of what to expect in this groundbreaking development. Over to you, Evgeny.
Hello. Glad to have you here, and it's great news for the ex-guru. We finally answering the question when talking, and the answer to that question on Monday. In 1 day and 22 hours, our LBP starts on Fjord platform. This is Fjord Foundry platform, and you can find the ex-guru LBP in upcoming ones. So in here you see Guru, and basically what we're saying here, from June 3rd till June 6th, we're doing a public sale event, like price discovery event for liquidity bootstrap provisioning. That's basically event where we deposit in some liquidity from our side, and you guys, starting from this price we specified by our deposit and our our weights we specify at the start and the end, and based on that there is a price curve which basically follow not like the whole idea of LBP is a fixed amount of supply distributed in fixed time, and then you have like buckets spread across the hours of LBP, and that's why it's price discovery event. If a bucket is sold out and selling out more, its price is rising. If not, it's dropping. So Dex Guru doing LBP. Here are details for duration, and those dates and everything would be transferred to your time zone. So if you are eager to track it and see the price chart here, so you know where you want to get in and so on. So those are the dates to monitor it. We have links to LBP on all our main sites, like V2 Dex Guru, and we add in it would be one banner on Dex Guru itself, on like all Dex Guru, which we all love, like Dex.Guru. So about LBP, as you can see here, it's all around Guru Network, and Guru Network is a new concept we just figured maybe and went towards in November last year. After after a journey in retail markets with our trading terminal, we created lots of B2B product during crypto winter, because that was our main cash flow during this period. And in November last year, we figured that we need to add execution to it and orchestrate different processes, as well as AI summer came, and during AI summer we created GPT assistants which are aware of blockchain data and added those to our log explorer and follow those. We needed some product to combine it together, and so we created an internal system which is orchestrating different processes across all those products in one place, as well as we were able to distribute all the data solution from our data warehouse across all those products using that solution. And now we have a name for this solution. This is like Flow on Guru Network. And this is the Flow itself is basically orchestration node on Guru Network, which we're using to orchestrate different processes. And each product here have its own orchestration engine, but all of them communicating with each other and like passing over users' requests and resolution of those requests using Guru Network. That's the idea. We're doing that ourselves internally already and transferring our existing products to use of the system and Guru Network and inviting everyone to participate. That's why we publishing our framework, which is available for everyone. And there are already ecosystem projects which are not like these Guru ones, which started from this framework and already created some cool products and technologies out of it, and we'll go through this Guru V2 invitation process, where basically using this particular process, this Guru orders some AI processor work from another entity which is within our ecosystem. It fulfills the job and basically gets back. So this is roughly the idea of Guru Network. This like synchronization layer between different ecosystem products and different entities. And for all those entities, we have a rich network participant ecosystem plan, which powers up our idea of atomic franchise mechanism. That's a mechanism where each entity which operating on Guru Network can share their own like small snippets, routines, combine new diagrams in the form of BBPAs. It's like blockchain business automation and notation standard, which is inherited from traditional business process automation standard. I've been myself using a lot during my like enterprise times, like when I used to be in Disney. So combining this experience of traditional business process automation with Web3 and with AI orchestration, we created that product, which is basically core of Guru Network, and the product allowing gurus to contribute different processors, snippets, Web3 automations for regular DeFi activities, and maybe like for trading. And we'll go further down the line and talk about it as well. Ecosystem projects which are using those things, individual agents who run in orchestration nodes and basically running a lot of AI models used or different calculators used for Web3 transactions. Systems like our data warehouse, the Guru data warehouse, was one of like ecosystem projects there. And that product is very rich with blockchain data, as you can imagine, because it has all the data from our trading terminal, from all the block explorers across 18 chains. And you can use any of this data in any of your processes and basically hook up like your actions executed on your side, like in a non-custodial way, to data feed it from someone else within the ecosystem. And if it's a Guru data warehouse, we're talking about all the price charts over like 1.5 million of tokens across 180 dexes, all the liquidity information, volume, holdings, balances, all that kind of stuff. So that's the ecosystem where retail users are going to have benefits as well, because I was talking that much about different participants who contributing to the system, like ecosystem projects or gurus, all of those participants contributing to the system through our Flow product, where they add in like something else, while retail users maybe just want to use it. And for retail users, we are planning cool things called Guru Smart Wallet, which is basically as all our network participants run in those engines, the wallet itself would be an orchestration node on Guru network, as that would allow pick those different orchestration and automation, like diagrams of schemes, and download them onto your wallet, and approve it and run it in there, and like manage it from your wallet. And then all what happens there, like when you're using DeFi, then it's non-custodial execution, because you grabbing data and something else, like for your trading strategy, like you grabbing the price chart data and candles data from Guru warehouse, and then figuring out your portfolio and basically jumping out if market is drops or something like that. So that's the value for retail users, and retail users can fork any of those diagrams, create their own, like modify, and became gurus. And whenever they became gurus and publishing those in our catalogs, they can specify instantiation fee or infrastructure fees, which other retail users would pay to reuse their like Web3 automations or automations for, I know, for claiming rewards if you guys always forgetting to do it. So stuff like that. And Guru token, because we're talking about Guru LBP, and again, Guru LBP starts in 1 day and 22 hours roughly. And it's a huge event for us. We went all our journey, like for 3 years in crypto, all the way to get to this moment where like we have Guru token launched, and that Guru token actually now have an utility, because of this rich ecosystem of participants which are planned for Guru network, and Guru token is basically native token in there. Tokenomics of Guru token would include orchestration fees, all those interactions in between Guru's ecosystem projects and individual agents, and each of them having their own role in it, and basically creating a means for Guru token and operational field for Guru token. So that's like a native utility on Guru network for Guru token, and it's focused on services. Vesting schedule. We put a vesting schedule, so you guys are aware of our investors board structure, and how like basically buy and sell pressure. If you that's why we doing this price discovery event, and participate in price discovery event. Everyone should understand the risks, and basically buy and sell pressure, and we're very 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 open to it. We're publishing all the information, and you guys can do your own research. We are VC funded, as probably everyone well aware. We got 2 rounds, and there is information about this in our LBP. Where is it? Token weights, token vesting, duration. Yeah, in here. So we got two rounds. Both of them 2 and 3 years ago. So 3 years ago we got the first round. It was 1 mil with 10 mil evaluation for 10% of the supply, and like a second round and 5 mil with 50 mil evaluation. But it was 2 years ago. Like we went through the whole crypto winter, and like we are prevailing, and now we ready for Guru token launch finally. And lots of community questions are around, like why now, why we were waiting for 3 years, because we were building and we were baking, we were preparing the utility economy for Guru token, and now we have it, so now we're launching it. There's a huge question there about this portion here, Guru seasons 20, which is marked 20% of allocation. Those are basically rewards we're going to incentivize our mainnet launch with, and then after mainnet launch. So Guru season 1 and 2, they they plan to be very active in between now and our planned mainnet launch in Q3 2024 with tentative plan for August. And during testnet phase, everyone who minted season 1 Guru season pass 1 NFT would be able to participate in different activities in we developing on our new product on Guru network, like when migrating them, as well as we're launching completely new things there. As a project jumps in, and if you guys during our testnet phase building it with us, like participating in beta testing, helping us with your feedback, and you're a season 1 pass holder, or as season 1 pass holder, you have ability to invite like up to 5 means of season 2 to season 2 pass holders. So those would be jumping in as well. So all those activities would be snapshotted from our testnet at mainnet launch, and that would be kind of main driver for the following 3 months. Like we actively building, preparing the mainnet launch, going through audits with our smart contracts for our system, because all those diagrams we run in orchestration nodes have corresponding smart contracts, and you guys participating and helping us build a better product, and we all get into mainnet launch and launching like Guru token already as our mainnet currency. One very crucial thing in there to understand is basically Guru network is layer 3 on base. So we're hooking up to this rich ecosystem of base, and as layer 3 we have particular purpose, and we servicing this purpose. We orchestrating Web3 and AI processors for other chains. We are multi-chain AI compute layer, where our processes and our individual agents are servicing like a server's Lambda functions. In traditional infrastructure as a service platforms, there is such a concept of Lambda functions. So we're doing something similar, but in Web3 way, and we're doing it multi-chain, and that's why we're not doing it in alone. We already in the rich ecosystem of Web3 projects. That's why it's base layer 3, and then with Chainlink integration, we're building it multi-chain. That's why it's multi-chain AI compute layer. So again, LBP event in 1 day, 22 hours. It's the first kind of public sale of Guru token, and its price discovery event, and liquidity we would be able to raise in there would go towards liquidity on DEXs and on SEXs. So we would create like a base and liquid base for our mainnet launch in Q3 2024. That's the main reason for it, and that's the main goal of it. Regarding how to do your own research, we have all the links here. That's our main landing page and website, where you can find all the docs, pretty much all the information I already covered at the very beginning. And we have, if someone want to dive in and became very technical, you can go like white papers. And here when we published it, we tried to kind of explain first, like what we're trying to build in here, what is Guru network, and design it from architectural standpoint. So this technology would power up all those ecosystem and economic means which we have in mind, in creating like atomic franchise economy concept, that rich ecosystem of network participants. All of that should be supported by some technology, which is combining multiple things together, multiple products together. operating within like Chainlink CCIP, for example, to bring all those abilities multi-chain. So all those technical and very complicated things are in here. Documentation on how to contribute and how it all works. Information on Guru token, Chainlink integration, and how to participate in building. How to if someone have an idea of cool product or anything, like we given you a clear path to how to implement it in fast and reliable way. Same way we do, because we ourselves operating that many products across 18 chains, and we able to do it with quite a lean team. So if we can do it with this framework and we developed it, then you can do it on Guru Network, and anyone can do it. And there are proofs of it. For example, Pixel Pact AI just started from scratch in February. So we've met on East Denver Hackathon, where I was mentoring, and I offered building this NFT like AI gen process for NFT collections using Guru framework, because that's exactly the purpose of the framework, combining Web3 processes with AI automations, with everything. And so they were able to build it. And now we, to showcase the technology of Guru Network, we embedded the technology on our own like season 2 generation process. So we showcasing how atomic franchise economy could work, where one project of the system, like Dex Guru, when we launching a V2, is ordering some particular process and some particular automation from other project of the system, like PixelPad. And so here is and that's on Guru Network, and all your actions, whatever you select in here and doing, immediately written on chain. And that's the main difference in our approach, and that's part of our technology. So whatever users doing on those applications, we log in everything on chain. And not only login, this is like event broadcasting system. We're using Guru Network as events broadcasting system between orchestration nodes. That's how Guru orchestration node, when you're picking up two pictures here and click and generate art for NFT, is basically can send the order over Guru Network in the form of those inscriptions, and orchestration node of PixelPact would read it and would start fulfilling that image. And we have this monitoring tool to see where those processes are, and it's very visual. That's why I'm showing it. And here we can see, so here we have like 4 people who right now looking at the pictures and picking up something. Then we have Guru Network layer where it passes, and PixelPact, which is doing the job of picture generation, and final model window here, where we will have a picture right now appearing, because I see it was already processed. So this is the main means for Guru Network. And there was a short video we released maybe a week ago, not a week ago, not sure, honestly. It's like we're launching all those things and all the days mixing up. And actually, we have that video in our like a playlist. Can we play it? So it explains a lot what I was talking about right now. Thanks for your time. With
1 second.
yeah, it's like it's a pleasure to have this attention to our ideas, and to launch of Guru Token and LBP event we have in here. especially like for me, because it's a tech-driven initiative that we created this framework and all those ideas around Guru Network. They became they were purely tech-driven out of whatever we've built to support initial ideas of like DeFi trading terminal, and those were mostly driven by product people and designers, and now we were brewing something internally, and now we're publishing it, and we have this attention. I see that we have 148 people right now watching, and it's a pleasure to have you here. So if we're ready for video, let's do it.
Yeah, we are ready. On 3, 2, 1.
DEX Guru has changed from a trading platform to the Guru Network. It uses AI and Web3 technology to make data analysis and process management better. DEX Guru V2 and its automations give a special experience to people who have the Guru NFT Season 1 pass. They are the first to learn about the Atomic franchise ecosystem and how the Guru Network powers it. On DEX Guru, you pick Guru arts to generate. This creates a generation order that DEX Guru sends to the Guru Network as an agent order. The PixelPact node reads this order and starts the generation process using its own AI processors designed with comfy UI and extra context. It sends the completed order back to DEX Guru node, and then you can review it. You can regenerate the art, share it on social media, and earn an invite for the Season 2 NFT mint.
Yeah, that's faster explainer of what I was talking here for like 27 minutes. So it looks like you can wrap it in one if perfectly. Those are the main means for the like a DEX Guru and Guru Network, and DEX Guru in there like as a V2 product. That's basically we see that as a jumpstart product. We migrate towards Guru Network, and we have that as our first item on our testnet phase, which is happening now. We migrating and adding new features to our old products like DEX Guru, Block Explorers, and Flow, which is new version of our data warehouse. And we migrating them towards Guru Network and adding those functionality with showcasing the power of it, like where you can reutilize the sub processes or do stuff like that. That's why we're like, okay, if we're doing Season 2 collection right now, let's do it in AI generated way. So it's not only utility purpose or like airdrop hunting, like we know what you guys are looking here for, right? But it's a piece of art and showcasing our technology best. And we're going to go or all line up and migrate all of them towards Guru Network, and we have a pretty rich lineup of product out of the batch. And again, we're running them already for 18 chains, and would be running them for our own chain as well. Then we would be releasing additional low-code solution in our Flow product, where everyone would be able to combine different models together in the process, like on that video when we were dropping down into image generation, there was like a picture there of comfy UI interface where you're combining multiple AI models together, and then we have a wrapper which wraps this scenario into orchestratable thing within our system. That's how it works. Low-code processors. I can actually show something. We have it on stage and releasing shortly. It's what can show you technology better than a live demo, right? Especially on stage. That's a model here loading. So this is mostly our like traditional data warehouse, the product which we have already for more than a year, and the product which we were offering to the chains along with our block explorer as a place where the community collaborating on data and on queries and analytics and stuff like that. That's where you can basically create your SQLs against any data on any chains we index in. And so this is our data warehouse, and now we converting it to Flow, and that's a new warehouse on Guru Network. And Flow not only controls data, but controls processes which are happening on the ecosystem or in your wallet if you're running it on your smart wallet, and allowing you to create new processes and publish them in catalog. And this catalog, it only exists right now at in here in actually, yeah, let's see what was generated here. You already have season 2 pass NFT, and this is like it's generated art which was generated from those 2 pictures I've choose. And now we're working on like adding third row in there, which is combined from generated arts by the users. So you would be able to pick 3 pictures, or no, we would be able to pick 2 pictures out of 3 collections. And we are playing here, and we embed those things in AI processors. I'm a tech guy. I have fun with it.
Are we able to zoom it in?
Oh yeah, actually, let me figure it out. Like, now it's better. What it is? Let's generate another one and drop into the catalog of flows actually. So our community right now, when we release this product, actually asking why it's like a front end is lagging, but that's because of technology and we polishing it. And again, I mentioned it already. We have all the actions on this front end is basically written onto the blockchain in the form of those inscriptions. So whenever you doing anything right now on testnet, it's basically written in blockchain, and that's why we're saying like all the actions here is written. Sorry. Here is written, and then we see how you guys in particular will participating in our like beta testing in our products, and then mainnet launch we'll be able to do the snapshot of testnet and calculate everything. And that's the main idea. And technically we publish in everything right now because we are testing here and not particularly sure what kind of events we need. We're not, then eventually would be limiting it, like public exposure, and every participant of ecosystem would be able to figure out like what kind of events they send in, what kind of events they not send in. So but right now you can see already the chart for transactions. That's how our testing started for Dex Guru v2, and that's how like it spikes up the transactions. Yeah, so we have like new ones here, and it's most of it's basically orchestration engines talking to each other, because Guru network purpose to be like a broadcasting network for them. Anyway, so this is like example of catalog of snippets which are coming from here from our new Flow product, which is again not released yet. It's staging. We're still polishing it, but you basically all the actions on all our products as well as new products are created in those diagrams, and you guys would be able to see it and fork it and create your own automations. Here is, for example, we have a SMI trading strategy or something. Yeah, SMA trading strategy as a hello world saying, where we are grabbing the data on candles from Guru Warehouse, combining those two indicators together, figuring out where is they crossing, and then figuring out if we need to trigger evaluation mechanism or not. When evaluation mechanism is triggered, we evaluate in portfolio if it's feasible. Oh, sorry. If it's feasible, what happens with my mouth? Okay. If it's feasible to basically buy or sell, and then we getting you all the way to non-custodial. Something happens here. Non-custodial execution on your smart wallet. That's basically where you holding your private key and executing it on your local thing. So stuff like that is available, and that's the core means of this catalog here. And whenever you dropping down, you see the particular diagram in here and metadata, and we're still working on it. But again, community is welcome to participate, give us some ideas, and we release in flow maybe in a matter of couple of weeks, so everyone would be able to contribute. And again, if you contribute and if you creating those diagrams and someone starting those diagrams on their wallets or using those for the dApps, they paying you instantiation fee as well as fees you can hook up to every step you're orchestrating here. Do we have any questions? Maybe we want to mix some questions with my monologue mostly.
Well, right now at the moment we don't have one. So guys, please put your questions in replies below, and we will answer it right away.
Yeah, feel free to post them on our Discord and on Telegram. It's TME Dex Guru, or on Twitter it's X Guru Network. So yeah, we'll have Q&A session soon. I know it's already like for 40 minutes, and you all guys have a Saturday to do, but yeah. So some particular activities available for Guru season pass holders right now, and here includes Faucet, where everyone can push some T-Guru token daily if you're a holder, and right now I'm started the transaction which pouring Guru tokens onto my wallet, and you can see those faucets in here as well. Oh, sorry, it's I need to relog in, and I don't know share it. Sorry, and this is faucet. We can actually see the statistics here, and let's see if it works. No dashboard found. Still building, need to fix it today. But oh, actually we can see it in here in our block explorer and charts and statistics. We should see the same dashboard. And that's again means of Guru network, that you have one thing and you're sharing it between products. So if someone contributed the dashboard in our warehouse for the faucet, it's embedded in our V2 Dex Guru, and it's embedded in our block explorer in the same time. And you see how people are using faucet right now, and here is like a scoreboard. Yeah, probably we can integrate it in the product better, like with real like scores and some maybe categorization or something. It could be fun. Give your feedback if you like this idea. That's what I'm saying here. Like, no, we not only launching Guru Network, and it's something new because it's tech-driven initiative. We also starting doing it in a community-facing way. So we want a community to participate. We want a community to contribute to new processes, diagrams, and everything. Participate and reach Guru Network ecosystem as it's told in here, and our LBP listing, and earn rewards. That's basically the atomic franchise economy we trying to power up here. That's why we're saying community you need it right now. We want to launch it with you, so please help us doing it. It's a new technology. We believe in it, and we want everyone to believe in it. We want to make it so it's cool and usable in a short period of time. That's why we have a roadmap in here, and it's short period of time, because we're in testnet phase right now, and the planning mainnet launch on as layer 3 on base, or at tentatively in August 2024. Right, and again, for everyone who just jumped in, we have Guru token LBP planned in 1 day and 22 hours on Fjord Foundry. You can find it here. All the details, all the information on our technology and how Guru Network works as base layer 3 and orchestration layer for all other chains, like we calling it multi-chain AI compute layer, but it's actually AI and Web3 compute layer. So do your own research, see our integrations and how it all works, how Guru token utility is created by means of atomic franchise mechanism and rich participants ecosystem, and all the resources on here. Sorry, I just went through it one more time for everyone who just joined. Where we at? Community participation, right? If we don't have any questions, we can actually go through the questions in which we had in our Discord before. Right?
Yeah,
Why
we
not?
have one question from our Discord.
Cool.
Regarding clarification of vesting schedule.
Clarification of vesting schedule. Let me actually find a spreadsheet to answer this question. Do we have anything to just put right now, like a video or something explainer, so I would be able to basically find the spreadsheet and maybe drink a little coffee and then jump on this question?
No problem.
Yeah,
Let's
let's
get
do
this
that.
started again.
Yeah, let's do it.
Dex Guru has changed from a trading platform to the Guru Network. It uses AI and Web3 technology to make data analysis and process management better. Dex Guru V2 and its automations give a special experience to people who have the Guru NFT Season 1 pass. They are the first to learn about the Atomic franchise ecosystem and how the Guru Network powers it. On Dex Guru, you pick Guru arts to generate. This creates a generation order that Dex Guru sends to the Guru Network as an agent order. The PixelPact node reads this order and starts the generation process using its own AI processors designed with comfy UI and extra context. It sends the completed order back to Dex Guru node, and then you can review it. You can regenerate the art, share it on social media, and earn an invite for the Season 2 NFT mint.
Yeah, that's covering 40 minutes I was talking about here, talking on Guru Network here, but in 1 minute. How we enable an atomic franchise economy where one process, ordering something from another and so on. So vesting schedule, we have this spreadsheet actually with a really detailed vesting schedule. And I know it's in here. It's very kind of graphical and it's hard to understand. And probably we what we would put link here to vesting schedule to the spreadsheet I'm sharing right now. And so what we have in here, it's like all core contributors, VCs, and Guru seasons. Vesting schedule is planned with 6 months cliff, 24 linear, And
I should stop you. We don't
oh,
see
yeah, sorry.
your screen.
Yeah, no,
Yep,
I'm
that'll do.
sharing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, I probably need to go over it again, but that's a spreadsheet covering it much better than what we have in here, and here it's very graphical, right? On our LBP listing, it's very graphical. That's why it's hard to understand. And I just figured that it's probably a good idea to put this spreadsheet link in here, or at least in like resources. Or I would edit in resources. We still have time to edit it till it starts. So what's in there, like in details? That spreadsheet covers everything month by month, how it's going to be released, and you see it's 6 Cliff, 24 linear for most of the things, besides obviously LBP, which is released and liquid at LBP at TG event. We also have marketing and basically liquidity provisioning at TGE event and after LBP, and that's basically obvious because it's a price discovery event and liquidity bootstrap provisioning. We grabbing the liquidity and creating a liquid market for Guru token. So whenever we would be launching the mainnet and it would already have a liquid market, so all the ecosystem of participants on mainnet would have a value storage, because Guru token utility is value storage for all those financial interactions between ecosystem participants. Yeah, so that's pretty much covers it. For everyone who just connected, we have testnet phase right now of this product, and that's where we migrating our traditional products, which is like Dex Guru is becoming V2 Dex Guru with automations powered by Guru Network, Block Explorer, Flow, which is like a new data warehouse, which includes model layer for processes where you can create new processes, contribute to catalog, and earn instantiation fee if everyone runs it. So this is like a trading strategy. You're designing it in here, you publishing it in catalog, and here in where is here we have in flows, we have catalogs of those flows which you publish. And right now we have 3, but before Monday we will add more. We have some on stage, polishing on stage, and it would have more means, and it would have like some categorization here. But you got the idea. Again, it has all the same data functionality we have in our current data warehouse, and it's not only about like creating the flows or data warehouse like analytics tooling. It's also about creating huge like deep data exposure to the people who can use it for researches. So here we have another cool integration of in that would be in Flow as well as data warehouse, where you can hook up any data we indexing out from 18 chains like real time and put it in your own research. Like for example, here we're creating different indicators for the price chart, and the same price chart and you see in here so it's still Dex Guru V2. That's why we have a token explorer, and then you can jump in and see the charting, and the same charting you can grab from data warehouse and basically analyze it automatically using simple strategies. So for example, here we calculating RSI strategy or bullet and bear strategy, and then bringing those signals towards the chart, and then basically predicting something using just linear model. It's like hello world example, but it shows the richness of Guru products, and those Guru products, they already working on more than 15 chains. It's like here we have how many explorers? Yeah, we have it products, block explorer as a service. So it's battle tested, and it's native for Guru network. It's native for Guru token, and that's what we bring in on testnet phase. And during testnet, we testing everything, doing like audits for smart contracts. We would be hooking up to the to our orchestration engines and those basically diagrams. And then we launch in the mainnet. And again, I would cover it one more time because people connected. Because in all our products, for example, you on Dex Guru here, you go in and faucet, right? You go in here, you go in faucet, you pour in the Guru tokens from the faucet. We record in it as inscriptions on our block explorer, and you can see the transaction here. It's actually gave me 10 T Gurus, and in the same time, whatever I was doing like before pouring T Guru tokens, like in the Web2 world, off-chain world, is recorded in the form of those events on chain, and all orchestration engines which operating on chain can read it and basically adjust their actions to it. And that's the whole meat of our system. We've built internally initially, now we productize on it in Guru network, and everyone can use it because we published our framework. And for example, Pixel Pact, which we're using for AI generation mechanism on our Dex Guru v2, is built exactly like that. So here, let's play with it one more time. Again, sometimes it's still laggy because it records all the things from here on chain. We're working on that. We have ideas on how we would speed it up. But we trying here. And if you would be playing with it, don't forget to subscribe to our updates. We are currently just enabling emails here, but we're working on more. Basically, so you wouldn't miss start of our LBP process in 1 day, 20 hours on Fjord, and we will be able to ping you and basically, hey, and so on. So right now it's generating the image. Do we have any questions to go over while it's like going back and forth to Pixel Pact engine and back?
No, it seems like it's very brief and comprehensive review, so no one has any questions.
That's funny. Yeah, so that's what I've got generated, and now I'm able to mint. Let's try it. Live demo. Something would go wrong or not. I probably don't have any. Oh, I don't have any base in here. I would be probably, yeah. I would need to pour some base, but basically base Ethereum, because on this wallet I have on this demo machine, I don't have one. But you guys feel free to play. Minting is available for season 1 holders and everyone who they are invite. And they have invite mechanism in here available. So if you season 1 holders, this section here available for you. And you can send season 2 invites. So I invited like 2 wallets here, and everyone who you invited would be able to mint season 2 NFT and use the same functionality and participate in our activities during testnet phase, and boost your rewards with like helping us build those cool products. Probably I would just cover it one more time. We finally answering question when token, and LBP event. It's on Fjord platform in 1 day 20 hours. It's a price discovery event for native token of Guru network, and Guru network is base layer 3 network orchestration chain, which serves the purpose of orchestrating different Web3 and AI processors multi-chain. We are integrating all our products as well as other products and integrating with products like Chainlink to bring all that functionality multi-chain. And for example, this minting here, which we went through with generation of images and stuff, the mechanism of invites and mechanism of allowing you to mint if you shared the results on social is working through Chainlink functions, and we have like detailed description how it works through Chainlink functions. So process on base minting NFT is enabled or disabled by process on Guru network, and that works through Chainlink functions. How cool is that? All those creating like a feature-rich technology to support atomic franchise economy mechanism we are talking about here, and all this rich network participant ecosystem where gurus can create new processors in low-code visual way, publish them in catalog, different Web3 automation scenarios and everything. Retail users and ecosystem projects can utilize those things and pay individual agents like node runners and gurus instantiation fees and infrastructure as a service fees. That's a rough idea of Guru token utility again. And we are VC funded. Here is like a roadmap we're talking about for probably the whole hour, and all the additional resources you can find useful. Do your own research. Again, not financial advice. Participation in LBP is a risk. We have a disclaimer about it here from Fjord platform. And yeah, that's probably covers it.
We have one more question from the Discord from our vigilant Captain Lightyear. And this is how much liquidity will you provide after LBP?
And that's a good question. And let's jump in on the screen again. So here is a spreadsheet we were talking about earlier, and I'm going to put a link to it in here because as it was already discussed from this chart, it's not clear what the vesting schedule actually are. And in that spreadsheet, we have exchange listings, market makers, and that's basically liquidity. Probably we need to put it like DEX, exchange listings, market makers. So 8% of token supply planned there. Of course, it wouldn't be like liquid right away. It would be gradually released across like sexes, which are planned in future, and DEXs. So that's the percentage of token supply, and yeah, that should answer the question. Do we have anything else?
Thank you, Evgeny. Checking all our channels.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we have a question from Captain Lightyear again. Heroes, I mean, I assume you don't put the whole 8% in liquidity pool, so I'm asking how much go into on-chain LP specifically.
So the plan is 50% of funds raised are planned to go towards DEXs and DEXs liquidity. That's what we tentatively planning. Of course, it could change. It's a sale. We don't know how much we would raise, but that's the plan right now. And 50% we are reserving towards other activities planned, as well as like Texas liquidity. Yeah, that should answer it.
Thank you, Evgeny. Anyone, do you have any more questions?
Again, the main idea for the LBP is price discovery and finding the liquidity. That's why we exactly doing this, and we're doing it for creating good foundation and platform for mainnet launch. So we'll have liquid Guru token, which would power up our rich ecosystems, participants ecosystem economy. That's the main idea. That's why we're doing LBP, and those are good questions on liquidity. That's why we're doing it. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Captain Lightyear. And it seems like we don't have any more questions, and we can basically wrap up our AMA.
So yeah, again, 1 day, 20 hours till LBP event on Fjord. You can just get to Fjord platform, go to LBPs, and you'll find Guru Network here. And do your own research. All the information there. Additional resources. Follow us on X, Discord, Telegram, and we would keep you updated. Jump in and generate NFTs in V2 Dex Guru. Play with it. It's a cool art, cool idea, I believe. Yeah, why not? Why not? We're all in Web3 here for a reason. We like the craziness of it, like craziness of ideas you can implement. AI generated NFTs orchestrated through the network in between two separate entities, and why not, right? Yeah, this pretty much covers it. Thanks for your time. Thanks for joining. We'll keep you posted. Subscribe everywhere, and go Gurus. We're building here, and hope for community support. Participate in our testnet phase. Create those NFTs. Boost your rewards. Use Faucet to push some Guru and deploy automations later. Help us build better product. Like seriously, that's a narrative we're switching to. We know that like in the past, especially after our switch towards B2B product, we kind of became very silent with our community because it's crypto winter. We all have limited resources, and our main focus was creating block explorers and data warehouse and everything, so we can survive the crypto winter and basically have some cash flow to live on. But now, based off this experience, we're summarizing it and releasing new retail product based off what we were brewing here and building for a year and a half and in the form of those B2B products. Yep, jump in, ask any questions anywhere. We're very active. Contribute and bring your feedback. We're listening, and we polishing all the things during testnet. We launching mainnet, creating foundation of Guru economy for the mainnet in 1 day, 20 hours. Yeah, that's a motivational speech. Go Gurus.
Go Gurus, go. So thank you again for all of you for joining us for this AMA session. We hope you found the discussion insightful and that we addressed your questions about DEX Guru, Guru Network, and our upcoming LBP event. As we approach LBP event from June 3rd to June 6th, 2024 on Fjord Foundry, we encourage you to stay engaged with our community and keep up the latest updates. Your participation and support are crucial for our success, and we're excited to have you with us on this journey. Do not forget to join our community channels, follow us on social media, stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the LBP, and more. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out to us anytime at any channel. Thank you again for your time and enthusiasm. Let's continue to grow and innovate together. Have a great day.
Let's do our playlist in the end again. Why not? I like this video.
Dex Guru has changed from a trading platform to the Guru Network. It uses AI and Web3 technology to make data analysis and process management better. Dex Guru V2 and its automations give a special experience to people who have the Guru NFT Season 1 pass. They are the first to learn about the Atomic franchise ecosystem and how the Guru Network powers it. On Dex Guru, you pick Guru arts to generate. This creates a generation order that Dex Guru sends to the Guru Network as an agent order. The pixel-packed node reads this order and starts the generation process using its own AI processors designed with comfy UI and extra context. It sends the completed order back to Dex Guru node, and then you can review it. You can regenerate the art, share it on social media, and earn an invite for the Season 2 NFT mint.
Thank you, and we closing up. Thanks for your time on Saturday and participate in LBP again in 1 day and 20 hours. And see you on Guru Network products. Go Gurus!
Go, Gurus, go!